Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check if you can add Instagram to your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile, tap the button that says Edit Profile. Here you will see different options like your username, your bio, and sometimes options to link other accounts. Look carefully for a line that says Add Instagram. If you see this option, tap on it. The app will then open a login screen for Instagram. Enter your Instagram username and password and confirm that you want to connect the two accounts. If you do not see an Add Instagram option inside Edit Profile, then this feature may not be available in your region yet. TikTok often rolls out features to some countries first and others later. There is another step you can try. Go back into Edit Profile and look for a section called Links or Website. If you see a website field, you can paste your Instagram profile link there. This way, anyone who visits your TikTok profile will be able to tap on that link and open your Instagram page. If you don't see the link option, just go to your account settings and switch to your business account. The link option will appear. That is how you can check and try different ways to connect Instagram to TikTok. Thanks for watching.